I don't even know how this shit work. My first time using this. Uh, I don't know what to say. What up, man? It's been like freaking 10 years since I've been to, 10 years since I've been to Jamaica, right? Um, I don't even know where to go or what to do, or you know what I mean, because people be coming back telling you a whole bunch of stories of like, um, oh, people messing up the dance hall shit and whatever, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, I don't care. It's not my thing. I just wanna go relax from this cold ass place, you know what I'm saying? Get me some sunlight, eat me some, drink me some coconut water, eat me some cane, get me some plum. I mean, we go listen to some music, you know? Going on some tour, like I'm a tourist and shit, but technically I'm not a tourist. It's just been so freaking long. Oh shit, it's just so freaking long since I've been there. It's like it's new to me all over again and shit. But guess what? Hey, gotta try something, right? It said nothing try, nothing done. Everything, new vibes, new things. Just, stay on the safe side. Peace out.